Hi everybody, this is Lauren of planmoshplan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This is a rewind plan with me that I'm super excited about. I loved sitting down and planning this week. It's with the GP Sticker Studio kit called New Beginnings, I believe. I think it's still in her shop. I'm showing you, I got the full kit, and then I also got right there, that is the like personal sized monthly kit. And then I also just got the personal weekly kit. I do PR for GP Sticker Studio, so I quite honestly get the stickers at a little bit of a discount. So I just bought all of it because I loved the kit so much, and I love GP Sticker Studio kits for a lot of reasons, but she just has a lot of great stickers for white space planners, I find, in addition to like her designs are truly honestly my favorite in the planner community. But the personal kit and the I keep wanting to say like no okay the I keep wanting to say the monthly, yes, that's right, the monthly kit have a ton of stickers that are sized to fit like smaller than an Erin Condren with box, and I really like that. I liked that I just like when you can see like white space on either side of the stickers, but you can still use stickers from the kit to make the like whole thing look really cohesive. So I got just all of it together and I used everything, and it was so much fun, and I had so much fun planning this way. So I like I said, I do PR for her. So if you are interested in any of her like stickers or anything from her website, you can always use my code, which is Lauren PR20 for 20% off. I say this whenever I talk about her like stickers, but she's an Australian shop, so it makes her, if you're in the US, it makes her stickers really, really, really affordable because the US dollar is I think worth more than the Australian dollar, so everything's a little bit cheaper for us. I might have that backwards, but whatever way it is, everything's a little bit cheaper. And then with the discount code, her stuff is like $2 a sheet around, something like that. And most of this stuff is like custom designs or photography, just like very, I don't know, I just really love her style. So I have the matte sticker paper. It's really nice. I don't think I've tried her new matte sticker paper yet, but I'm really excited to try it because she says it's really good, and I'm like super into that. But anyways, I just put down the whole base of the kit, and then I am doing that same kind of thing where I'm planning more of the way that I did in 2017, which is a little bit more like just daily scattered and not putting the full boxes like in the designated boxes in the Erin Condren. I've been really liking that lately. So on Monday I put that like full box towards the bottom, and then I just cut down one of the flags and then cut one of her Essie scripts or Essie nail polishes that had a manuscript. I cut that off and layered that to mark that I was painting my nails. And then I am layering all of not layering, I just put all of the headers for the top. I put them as today headers, which I think I did the week before this also. Yes, and I've been really liking that. I haven't used like scripted headers from a kit in a really, really long time, besides the past couple weeks. So I don't know. So I've just been super into it. I think it looks good, kind of uniform in an otherwise very scattered spread. So for Monday, I took one of the little boxes made to fit a personal size planner, or like the monthly view in a personal size I want to say calendar planner, monthly planner, to mark that we had a garbage disposal repairman coming. So I marked that with the icon from the kit. I had to call a hotel to talk for our wedding, to talk about a hotel block. So I marked that with a flag to fill my clipper card. So I took a sticker from like a long kind of strip sticker from the kit and a push pin sticker from the kit to do that. And then I filmed a plan with me that night, so I took a planner from the kit, and then that film script is from Sticky Sloth Designs. Again, I have a coupon code for her also. You can check the below bar for all my coupon codes. And then I meal prepped this day, so I took a quarter box from the kit and a little chef hat sticker from the kit also. I used pretty much all stickers from the kit on Monday, and then except for a couple the bow accents are from tasseled planner. I use silver foil, even though this kit has some really light gold foil, but it's cool toned, and I wanted to bring in some silver because I felt like the yellow gold that most shops have for their gold foil would just be too harsh with this. And I really like how the silver turned out. Okay, on to Tuesday. I had 3 meetings on Tuesday, and I, instead of marking them where I like put down what every single meeting was, I haven't been as into that lately, so I just took one of her like sticky note kind of boxes from her kit, which I love those. I think they're so cute. And I layered it with a coffee cup from her kit and marked it that way, and then I put again a silver bow on translucent paper from Tassel to Planner, and then I put a half box down with the glitter header that comes in the kit over it. I feel like this is moving really fast. I may have made the timing of this video faster than I normally do. And then, okay, so I'm taking this Celebrate sticker from the Artbox sticker, like, I don't know, holiday sheet. And then this like pho, she looks like she's having pho or some sort of, I don't know, Asian soup with her chopsticks. I went to dim sum. My team took me to dim sum at work that day. We went to Yank Sing in the city, which I think is a pretty, like, I don't know if it's famous, but it's a popular one. It's my first time ever having dim sum. We were celebrating that I was finally a full-time employee. So that was, well, not full-time, a permanent employee. So that was really fun. I had a good time with that. And then I cut off the bottom part, but I will talk about it once we get down to the bottom part on Wednesday. I had a parking permit thing due for my apartment on the 16th on Wednesday, so I marked that with an arrow from the kit, and then I'm putting down the full box and the glitter header looks like, and then I am marking that in the morning I went to Starbucks. I took a quarter box from the kit and a coffee cup from the kit also, and then this heart that I'm layering over it is also from Tassel to Planner. I feel like I'm going so fast. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then I'm taking again from the monthly sheet a little kind of mini half box, and then I took a laptop from the kit and cut off the work script, and I marked that I worked from home after 3 p.m., which is kind of like I wouldn't even normally mark it. We were going to leave at 12 p.m. and just do a half day to work from home because there was a really big storm this day, and my boss was like, you guys should leave early so you don't get caught on BART in the rain, but then the rain kind of kept holding off, so we left at 3, and I just worked from home after that. And then in addition to that, I'm putting, oh, by the way, so what I did at the bottom of Tuesday, what you might have saw, I put a washi strip at the bottom, and then I called my cousin and I talked on the phone for like an hour or so on Tuesday, so I marked it with another little sticker from the monthly kit and a phone from Tassel to Planner. And then I had 5 meetings on Wednesday, which is a lot. So I marked that down with a quarter box from, I think, the personal kit. And then that pen is from Planning Like a Pro. I also have a coupon code for her shop. And then I'm marking down that I edited my Plan With Me. The edit sticker is from Sticky Sloth Designs. The little kind of box is from the monthly kit. And then the polka dot washi tape that's so cute is from Hello Petite Paper, one of her like planner deco kind of sheets. And then on to Thursday. Oh, I feel like I can finally breathe for a second. I feel like I've just been speeding through this. Okay, Thursday, I had 2 meetings on Thursday, so I'm taking this marble quarter box to mark that down. And then that paper clip is from Planning Like a Pro. Putting down my half box here. That looks crooked. I hope I fix whatever's crooked there. I'm looking at my planner and you can't really tell. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that would have bothered me. Okay, this sheet is from Planning World. Again, I have a coupon code for Planning World. You can check the below box for that. I love her cocktail sheets. They're so cute. I don't know why that got cut off. But again, that's a little box from the monthly kit, and I'm marking that we had like a cocktail hour at work at 3:30. Everybody just kind of, we like had champagne and beer and whatever, and everybody just kind of stopped working for the day. Although I am marking right here that I went to a spin class. It says 6:45. Really, it was 6:30. So I had like one drink and then I stopped because I needed to go work out and I couldn't drink more than that. And that girl that I marked was from GP Sticker Studio that I used to mark the flywheel class. She's one of the GP girls. And then again, I'm cutting off the Manny part of the sticker, the Essie nail polish sticker from the kit to mark that I painted my nails again. After that, everyone was like ish drunk and I stayed late working till 6:30 and everyone was like kind of stayed late drinking. I was like, oh boy. But not in a bad way, like they were all fine, but I was just like, okay, I'm trying to get work done. Okay, and then I marked that I worked late that day. I think I came home and worked on my laptop even after that. And the work sticker, that laptop sticker, is again from Planning World. Okay, Friday, I went to Starbucks again. That cup is from Simply Watercolor Co. And then I layered it over what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Is it 5 sides or 6 sides? What's a 6 side one? Hexagon? Yes. I layered it over the hexagon from the kit. And then I'm using this half box to mark that I had 7 meetings this day, which is insane for a Friday. No one should have 7 meetings on a Friday, but it was just one of those days, you know? Oh gosh, sorry if you can hear the sirens. And that girl again is a GP girl from GP Sticker Studio. I'm putting down a quarter box here, but I don't end up using it. I take I'm so sorry about the sirens. I wish you couldn't hear that. I know you can't. I took a solid header from the kit to cover up the line, the break in between the boxes. And then I took the other sticky note from the full kit and the laptop, again, cut the work script off from the personal size kit to mark that I had to work late on Friday, which again kind of sucks for a Friday, but when you have 7 meetings, that's like kind of what you got to do. And then I don't know why actually I do remember why. I really like how the flag looks at the bottom, like how I did on Monday, but I ended up having to pull that up because the sticker that I wanted to use with it, which is this really cute cheat day sticker with the donuts, it like matched the colors of this kit perfectly. That is from Paper Muse Crafts. Steven and I got Postmates. We got Korean barbecue. It was like fried chicken. It was delicious, but it was seriously a big cheat day kind of meal. So we got that on Friday night and we just kind of like sat on the couch and ate our Korean barbecue and probably watched Mrs. Maisel or something. And then I am putting down, I think the weekend headers there, and then I haven't used a weekend banner in literally forever, probably months in my planner, but this one, I love the font of it. I think it is so cute. I love that it's off-centered. I love the heart. I think it's adorable, and the stripes. So I had to use it. I just was like, I couldn't help myself. So then I'm putting down a box. This was a really fun day. We went to Starbucks in the morning, and we dropped Steven's car off at Big O Tires, and we met my parents there, grabbed some coffee. I used that cut down flag from the kit, and then that box is from the personal sheet, the monthly personal kit, that's gonna mark the Big O. That car is from where is that from? Oh, Paper Muse Crafts. And then I took that big box, I think that's from the monthly personal one as well, to mark if you've been here for a while, you may know that my family makes a wine with another family, or we make a few wines with another family. So we were their company's called Five Daughters. Those clinking wine glasses, I think, are from like Bunny Plans. I think, I always forget. But we went and we did the tasting for the 2016 or 17? I can't remember. Well, one of the one of the years of our Cabernet. Oh my gosh, I'm getting my words so twisted. Our Cab Sauv, Cabernet Sauvignon. So that was super fun. We went to the winery and we're just like blending, and drinking wine and had a great time. And then afterwards, we walked around downtown Yountville. We went to a restaurant called Redwood for lunch. It was like a really great pizza place. We went to a bar. We went to the Restoration Hardware in Yountville, which is like a literal museum and a restaurant. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. Totally go there if you're ever in Napa or Yountville area. So we did that, and then when we came back, Steven and I did like face masks, and I painted my nails, and we got in bed and lit candles, and that sounds romantic. It was more like we watched Mrs. Maisel, and like it was snuggly, not like I wasn't trying to be weird at all. It was like more like a girls' night, but with my fiance is what I was trying to get at. Okay, and then on Sunday we slept in, so I took a quarter box from the kit, and that coffee cup sticker is also from the kit. It's part of the deco. And then I went to the gym in the morning. I probably went with Steven, so I took a workout sticker from the kit as well. I am layering it over these cute little, I don't know what to call them, little box from the monthly personal kit. And then I think I end up pulling the sticker up because I wanted to mark something. I don't actually know why I did. I just didn't end up liking it. But I do end up using that film script. So I'm putting down the full box for the day and using the glitter header, of course, on top. And then, I think I know why. I wanted to use a full or a half box at the bottom, and I didn't want 2 half boxes on the same day because that can look a bit much when you're a white space planner. Although I do really appreciate GP Stickers, Sticker Studios half boxes and quarter boxes because they're whited out in the middle, which I think makes spreads look a lot cleaner and looks a lot better when you're a white space planner and just in general. But anyways, what I put down there was that we went and had dinner at Steven's parents' house that night. So I used a silverware from Crafts by Towie to mark that. And then I'm using one of those little kind of long stickers from the kit. I don't know what to call it. It's almost like a little thing, but a little thicker. And then I'm taking that desk is actually from GP Sticker Studio as well. And I'm using it to mark filming. Normally I use it for work stuff, but that's also kind of like, I film at my desk also when I film planner videos, so it works for that too. And then I just took a little heart from the kit to write down that I had a pretty lazy day that Sunday, Sunday. I think I forgot to write down grocery shopping. Oh well, whoops. Okay, so that was the spread for the week. I love it. As always, I almost always love all my GP Sticker Studio spreads so much. Her like kit style just really matches my planning style. And like, especially this week, I love the pink and the gold and the like peony flowers at the bottom, just everything. It's very, very my style. So I really hope you enjoyed it as well. Again, you can always use my code for GP Sticker Studio if you want to get anything from her. It's LaurenPR20. I shop on her website instead of her Etsy shop. I think there's it's just more stuff available there. I don't know why. That's just my preference. So, but yeah, that is pretty much everything. If I missed anything, you can always comment down below, or you can find me on Instagram. It's planmoshplan there too. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye guys.